What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a burst fade with the curly on top and leaving the edge up natural. So yeah, other than that, let's get right into the video. So first I go in with my wall seniors all the way closed instead of my first guideline. You do want to do this guideline real round and neat because it does determine how the rest of the haircut will turn out. Next I get my outliners and just blot out the rest, then move on to the shaver. Now with your lever all the way open, you want to create your first guideline in a round shape. Now with your lever halfway closed, you'll start flicking at the center of that guideline. I did zoom in on it because it is a weird way to blend, but here's more or less of how you do it. Now with your one guard all the way open, you go ahead and set your next guideline about an inch up. Now to fade out that one guard all the way open, you'll get your half guard 3/4 of the way open and start blending it out. Now to clear up some room, I get my comb and start doing clip over comb just to get ready for my next guideline, which is my last guideline. Now for our last guideline, it's a 2 all the way open, but it's pretty much not a guideline, it's blending it up to the top hairs, so don't dig deep into it. Now to remove that last guideline, get your 1.5, 3/4 of the way open and start blending down. Now I get my outliners and line up the forehead and then the backside. Now depending on what the client wants in the back, it can be just squared, it can be like this with a point on the back, and it could be even pointier or just a straight V. So depending on the client, you might want to ask them. Now what you do on one side, you do to the other, so I do stop the video and continue when I'm blading them up. Now we clean them up and start applying shave gel to blade them up. And make sure you remember to stretch the skin when you are using the blade, just so you don't cut nobody. Alright YouTube, that is the cut. Hope y'all liked it. Please remember to leave a like, comment, share the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.